Hey friends, I'm here with delicious dessert called saffron rice pudding. The ingredients are 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon ground saffron, 1 tablespoon slivered almonds, 1 teaspoon cardamom, half a cup of rose water, 25-gram butter, cinnamon, slivered pistachios, coconut powder as you need it. First, wash the rice. Soak it in warm water for a few hours. Pour cardamom powder and rose water on its slivered almonds to soften. Pour 7 cups of water into the pot. When it boils, pour the soaked rice into the boiling water. Turn the heat down to cook the rice gradually. Stir the rice several times and remove the foam from the rice. When the rice is completely crushed and the rice water decreased, pour the slivered almonds and cardamom powder soaked in rose water into the rice. Then pour melted saffron. You can see the methods of preparing saffron in the video whose link is at the top of the page. When the rice turns saffron colored and the rice water ran out, add sugar. Stirring continuously. Make sure the rice is completely crushed before adding the sugar. Now it's butter's turn to add. Stir it. When the butter has melted, brew the saffron rice pudding. Brew it for 10 minutes with low heat so that it has no water later.
11 minutes later.
It is ready to eat. Bon appétit!